Hey, hi guys. I hope the lighting is okay. I am in the dining room, so it might be a little bit off. But anyway, I finally received my Foxy Fix that I ordered, because we all know they take a while to get in. And so yeah, I figured I would unbox it here with you guys. I have a Foxy Fix, I think it's the sugar mochi one, and I forget what number it is. It's a larger one, but I never did an unboxing for that, I don't think. So anyway, I wanted to do one with this, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. I'm like, cannot wait to set this up. And can we just appreciate how pretty their boxes are? I mean, like, seriously. Okay, we open it up, and this is what the inside looks like. And this might be flipped around for you, I'm sorry, but otherwise it'd be in front of the camera. Anyway, you always get two of the business cards. Here's a sample. This is Lush ballerina slipper of the leather. Very nice and soft. And that's the invoice, which I will leave in there. Ugh. Paper everywhere. So here it is. Oh, yes. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so pretty. I am in love. I am so in love right now. Okay, so this, I need my invoice so I can make sure This Foxy Fix TN is a Black Beauty, which is the color. And it's the Lush leather. And I did do couture with this one. I didn't even look to see if they had any of these like already made and ready to ship. I did not get any embossing. As you can tell, I don't really do that. I don't know, it's just not for me. Yeah, so I definitely don't do that. This is a number 5, and this is just the compact one. It just has 4 strands, which is perfect, and it doesn't look like they're like super tight like some of them. I know like some people were saying that, well, maybe this might be a little tight, but I honestly, I'm not bothered by it. So there is that. So yes, the Lush is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this back pocket here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that because it's black. I love this back pocket. It's such a nice design, and it's really thick, but it's like super floppy. And it has the reinforced spine on the inside, obviously not on the outside, so you don't see that, but it is reinforced. And then, I mean, here's the jump band, and as you can tell, I got the black elastic, black stitching. I like the all black aspect of it. They come with these 2 slanted pockets that crisscross on both sides, and then I did order it with both of the card pockets here for, you know, to be able to decorate and stuff like that. So yeah, that is really it for this. It does have the Foxy Fix brand in the back, which they all do, so yeah. So let's see, let me grab my other one just for a size reference. This is my other, I might have to zoom out. Nope, nope. Don't mind my table, I have paint on it and stuff because I like to paint. But anyway, this is my other Foxy Fix that I have. It's not like super thick by any means, and it doesn't have any of the pockets or anything in there. I have the just the plastic ones, the adhesive pockets in there. So I didn't order this one with like anything extra, but with this one I definitely wanted to take and get, I'm getting like stuff all over it already, get the pockets in this one. So yeah, that is everything you need to know about this. I'm so excited. I can't wait to set this up. I'm definitely gonna go make coffee and go play with this, and maybe I'll film a setup video. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll just film the flip through, because yeah, my setups could take a while. Anyway, that is it. Go ahead and let me know down below if you want me to do a flip through of this when I am done with it. And I don't know, maybe you want to see a flip through of this guy here. Yeah, let me know down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.